Hello everyone. Welcome to a new course, Introduction to Web3. In this course, we are going to discuss about the underlying infrastructure behind the blockchain technology and also talk about the nitty-gritties of the Web3 ecosystem. So we are going to cover all the important terminologies and concepts related to Web3 and blockchain and get into the details of all the factors and all the components of the Web3 ecosystem. So this there is no prerequisite for this course, meaning this course can be taken by anyone from the beginner to an intermediate or an expert level in the Web3 space. So if you are a beginner, if you're mesmerized by the idea of Web3 and blockchain in general and want to understand more about it, this course is for you. Even if you are at an intermediate level, you have learned a few languages, you are good at Solidity, but still want to understand the Web3 ecosystem as a whole in a more comprehensive manner, even you can take this course. So this course is for absolutely everyone. You will surely have good takeaway regarding the whole Web3 and the blockchain space from this course. So let's have a look at the overall course curriculum for this course. So we are going to begin by discussing the blockchain technology. What exactly is blockchain technology? Then we are going to understand the mining and the cryptography basics for blockchain, followed by the most important applications of blockchain technology. There are multiple applications. We're going to touch upon a few applications, real life, real time applications, and of the blockchain technology. Then we are going to talk about the difference between public and private blockchain. What are different layers in blockchain? What is layer 0 blockchain, layer 1 blockchains? So, what is this layer concept? Then we are going to discuss about the consensus protocols. One very important terminology in blockchain is the consensus protocol. So we're going to discuss about proof of work, then Bitcoin, which is based on proof of work. Then we're going to discuss about proof of stake, and we're going to discuss about the basics of Ethereum. Then we are going to talk about the different types of crypto wallets which exist. And finally, one of the most famous crypto wallet, which is the MetaMask wallet, we are going to look at the installation steps in detail of the MetaMask wallet. Then we are going to move to understanding the differences between a centralized and a decentralized application. Then we are going to understand about the transactions, how to decode transactions, read about transaction data. And then we are going to understand about the blockchain explorers. What are the different blockchain explorers available to us, and how can we make use of those explorers to verify or to contracts and read the transaction data. Then we are going to understand the concept of transaction fees or gas fee, which is a very important concept in case of blockchain. We are going to discuss something known as Byzantine fault tolerance. It's a very important concept, and we are going to understand it. That what exactly is this is Byzantine fault tolerance all about, and how is it related to this Web3 and the blockchain space. Then we're going to discuss about the mempool and the concept of timestamp in blockchain. Moving on, we're going to discuss about the differences between soft fork and hard fork. Again, this is a very important concept and you should be aware of it. Then we're going to discuss about the Ethereum virtual machine. One of the most uh, important aspects of a Ethereum blockchain is the Ethereum virtual machine. What exactly it is, what are its components, we're going to discuss about it whole. Then we are going to discuss about the different kinds of accounts present in the Ethereum blockchain. Finally, we are going to move to the introduction to the Hyperledger Fabric. It's a permissioned blockchain software, and we're going to discuss about how do we discuss what are the important points related to the Hyperledger Fabric. Then one important blockchain is Solana. We are going to look at the important features of Solana as well. Moving on to understanding the DeFi or the decentralized finance, the most important terminologies related to DeFi. Then NFTs, which are the non-fungible tokens, which are getting very popular these days. We are going to understand everything about the NFTs. And then we are going to look at the different NFT marketplaces available to us and what are the differences between each of them. Then we are going to discuss about something known as the IPFS, which is the Interplanetary File System. So we are going to see how do we store our data on the IPFS, what exactly is it. We are also going to discuss about some popular ERC standards. So ERC 20, ERC 721, and more other ERC famous ERC standards. What all do they provide us, and everything about that. Then we're going to move on to the introduction to DAOs. Then we are going to discuss about the ICOs, initial coin offerings, what exactly are ICOs. Moving on, we are going to talk about the Polygon blockchain. Then we are going to discuss about the concept of metaverse. What exactly is metaverse, and what are the most popular metaverse projects going on these days? Then we are going to discuss about the different tools required for the blockchain programming. And finally, the different languages, programming languages, which can be used for blockchain programming. So this is it for our course curriculum. So I'm sure you have found this course to be an interesting course, and because this is a very comprehensive course, and we are trying to cover the maximum topics and the maximum variety of topics, which together form the Web3 ecosystem and the blockchain technology. So I hope you like the course. See you in the next class.